entertainment is what engages you. The stories are engaging. Oprah Winfrey, at some stage, if we take it further in few seasons, I would like to do this show with people from various walks of life, and then it will make a difference. But yes, in my mind, she is somewhere there.
When you first started out on television, there are very few stars from the industry who came to television. So how does it feel now that all the superstars are coming on television?
That's the power of television, because they have understood that they need television for lots of things, because where television reaches, no other medium reaches. It's unbelievable. And the power of television you can't ignore.
I must tell you an incident which is very funny. Last year, I was traveling to Wimbledon, and I was at the airport when I met Anupam and his mother. They were all going to IFA, to Macau or something. So the entire film fraternity was there, and I was talking to Anupam, and he introduced me to his mother. And suddenly his mother nudges him, and she says, "I want a picture with that person." The whole film industry is there. She did not ask for a picture with any film star. She asked for a picture with a television star who was there in the airport.
That's right. That's the power of television. We understood promotion is very important. Yes, please.
Also, you are deeply connected to Indian politics as well as the BJP now. How about getting our Indian Prime Minister to the movie first?
My talk was happening with him, and he had said yes to me. But then immediately after that he became the Prime Minister, and then when I met him, and he said मैं आऊँगा ज़रूर आपके शो पर, and he said क्या नाम है शो का? मैंने कहा कुछ भी हो सकता है. तो कहता इसका बदल दीजिए नाम. मैंने कहा क्या रखूँ? कहता सब कुछ हो सकता है. So I think hopefully when he gets time, I would certainly like to have him on the show.
Anupam, I believe you had a pact with Mahesh Bhatt when you started your career. And every time you sign a film, you go to his house and give a Guru Dakshina. Will you continue to do that?
Yeah. He's the only person I paid for this show. And I paid him, he almost fainted. He told my team, he says, 21,000 रुपया दे रहे हो तुम? तो मैंने कहा नहीं, ये मेरा पहला show है and आप मेरे पहले guest हो. I do it because I think I come from a background where we are thankful to people who have helped us. And I'm thankful, I will always be thankful. My 500 rupees or 5,000 rupees does not make a difference. But as I said about that man in Lucknow, some stories should not end. And when you give it a finale, they end. So I continue doing that.
Sir, you have hosted shows before with kids, Anupam Uncle.
Say na something to Anupam Uncle, yes.
So, what do you expect?
I'm still, it's a 15-year gap of that show. Now those people have grown up and I'm interviewing them basically. Yes, what's your question, sir?
Experience doing that, and what do you expect from this show?
You see, when I did Say Na Something to Anupam Uncle, it was very popular because I did not treat kids as kids. I treated them as adults. So they got very comfortable with that. Children don't like to be treated as kids. In this show, I treated my guests as my friends. And all of them said that after 5 minutes, we forgot that we are in a television studio, then there are audience, and there is camera. I think that was the magic of this show, basically. I must, before I go take another question, I think I must introduce to my team to you. We have Shagun, who is the creative director of the show. Shagun, please get up. And she was assisted by Komal, my research team. I think they have done an amazing research team. We have a very fine actor here who wrote this, who did a favor to me by writing this thing, Pradyuman. Pradyuman, you all know, Pradyuman is also an actor who acted in Tere Bin Laden. He was the Osama Bin Laden of that film. And thank you. And then there are other people over here. We have our executive producers, Herman D'Souza and Mr. Sailesh Kothari. They did a great job. Herman, am I forgetting anybody else? We have our production designer, main guy. So I had an amazing team who did this show. I used to literally walk on the set. Shagun will brief me what they have found out about them. I was shocked when they told me that Shah Rukh Khan's actual name was Abdul Rahman, which I have been in industry for the last 30 years. We worked together so much. So we really had. So I used to just take brief from her. I did not depend on any cue sheets. And that is why the show works according to me. So I know TRPs are very important, but I think this experience has made me very rich as a person. It has really made me feel that in life kuch bhi ho sakta hai. And I must completely bow my head in appreciation of the Colors team because the most amazing set of people I got to work with. Thank you, Monica. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Sonia. Thank you, everybody. I think the promos that you have seen, the writing that has gone into promos is this table, which is here. There is no way this show could have been possible, and I'm not giving a speech just to thank them. They know that how much important they are in my life, and how I have made their life miserable by calling them up कि ये कैसा है, and their involvement was phenomenal, and I would like to continue with them for the rest of my seasons, and we will just ask one question to Mr. Raj Nayak. How many seasons is he promising me right now? Anyway, next.
Yes, good evening, sirs. Here.
Hanji, sir.
Yes, sir. Mr. Nayak, now that you had asked Mr. Khair's so many good questions, were you prepared for them, scripted them, or on the spot?
You won't believe it was spontaneous.
That is one thing I observed. That means that this will be the only show which we would call it a real reality show, because I have never seen one where the scripting, direction, and things were not there.
No, what you said is so true. I mean, when Anupam told me that on the show he will go with the flow, honestly, I was nervous. I was very worried, and my team was very worried. They said, "How can you commission a show like that? कुछ बता नहीं रहा है, कुछ बोल नहीं रहा है." यहाँ तक कि हमको पता नहीं था कि कौन से stars आने वाले हैं. Okay. I went with only one conviction. I said, Anupam is doing the show. His reputation is on the line more than mine. And that was a simple, and seeing what he has done in the industry, I know that he strives for perfection, and whatever he does, he gives it his 100%. And that belief is what we went with the show. And that's when I said, if you see the show, no cue cards, nothing. And I just went to see the set the day before the shoot, but my team was there, and they told me, they said, it was as if two people were having a conversation. It's only when it's edited that you see the amount of meat that comes out of that conversation.
He has been carrying the, and I think it is more than 50% of the show has been carried by him, and he could carry on with any other person sitting against him, and that makes a difference with that. And I feel when he said 7 years afterward he will try for the politics, it means that he will go on being a better and better actor, so he could be a prime minister, or it could be in his mind he would stop acting and be a prime minister. That you should answer.
Thank you so much. That's very, very, I don't know, but you see, the show can only carry, my grandfather used to say that if you are telling the truth, you don't have to remember it. So I was asking them questions where they did not. So when Shah Rukh is describing the moment he was praying in that car park and his mother was in the ICU, I saw in his eyes that whole scene playing. No show, and in no show I have promoted any film. There is no promotion of the film because that was not the purpose. Because if I had promoted a film, they would have come with this thought. So I must thank him for trusting me, and I must thank my reputation. He said perfectionist. I think more than perfectionist, I stick to the truth, and at this stage, I don't need to do anything else. So it's something, this will be a lifetime experience for me. The team, the people who got involved with it. Ashim sent me a message. Ashim Sen, who was the online editor, he sent me a message. He said, and he has done all shows. He does Jhalak and he does all reality shows. He says, this is one show which I will carry with me for the rest of my life. Because it changed people's life. It changed the life of the guest also while that show was going on. Because when you revisit your life, it makes you feel how much have you moved on from there. Yes, please.
And that means this, what we just saw, I think if you compare it with all the other episodes, this may turn out to be the best, what we just had a live hay of.
Thank you, thank you. This is talking about us.
Yeah, I know.
The show could be the best.
If my programming head agrees, we'll make it 13th episode.
Thank you so much. You know, this was the frightening thing you said, because next show kuch bhi ho sakta hai, you can be seeing the Raj Nayak show and I will be in the audience.
And it is hota hai nahi, it is ho gaya hai. Thank you.
Sir. Yes, sir. Mic de diye wo piche sir ko.
Hello.
Yes, we'll come to you.
Hi,
Thoda tez chalo.
hi sir. Yo.
Yeah, good evening to all. This is Raj from media. Anupam ji, I'd like to ask you that सफलता और असफलता आपके लिए क्या मायने रखती है?
देखिए, सफलता प्रोफेशन में आती जाती है,